Hey everybody, my name is Eli Regalado. I'm reporting live from Boulder Beta, and I'm standing here with
Alex Raymond.
And Alex, what's your company?
The company is Kapta Systems, and we are taking the pain out of the performance reviews.
Okay, so out of performance reviews, so we're talking for employees?
Yeah, absolutely. Have you ever?
So not marriages, employees.
That's right. It's the target is HR organizations.
Okay.
We sell to the HR people. They've got a whole big mess around it. Basically, everyone in the company hates performance reviews. We're trying to make it a little bit less painful.
Yeah, you don't want to hurt anyone's feelings. Okay.
So a big problem is I can't remember what happened last year. I can remember what you did last month, and I can remember the best thing you did and the worst thing you did. But
more worse than bad usually.
Yeah, exactly. More worse than bad. And so what happens is very low quality reviews, very tense meetings, not a lot of data, not a lot of communication, and we're trying to kind of bring that together. It's all about making sure that on a day-to-day basis, I know how my individual performance affects the company.
Perfect. Okay.
Yep.
So then you just enter this in. You enter it all throughout the year.
Yep. You enter all this stuff in. The other great thing is you can see what people have committed to. What are the things that they're committing to do in terms of their job? So, for example, I've got a profile. It's got information about me, and it says who I am and where I live and what my phone number is. It'll also say, hey, here are my 5 goals for the year. Here are the things I've committed to do. You can see that, I can see that, my boss can see that, and so on. That's just all about transparency and communication in the company.
Awesome. So when did you guys launch?
We launched about a couple months ago. We've got some early adopter customers, a handful of those here in Boulder, Colorado, so we're really psyched about that. The feedback has been very, very positive so far.
So then at the end of the year, if I'm reviewing Michelle Marcus, how do I do that?
You want to review Michelle, you'll click on the thing, it'll have, here's Michelle, here's her comments on whatever she's been working on. As the boss, you'll then put in your rating and your comments on Michelle's performance. You can do this against her goals, against competencies, any other set of skills or questions that you have. It'll aggregate a score for the individual.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So Alex, what gave you this idea? Are you from the HR field?
I've been in HR technology for over 10 years, and working with a lot of customers, I saw a lot of tremendous pain, specifically among small companies.
Give me a specific example of the most painful experience you ever had to come across. You don't have to mention any names, but we just want details.
Well, tell you, small companies don't have time, money, and resources to do this kind of thing, right? So they'll ignore it. And if they ignore it, their employees get frustrated. They say, I'm not getting any feedback. I don't know how I'm doing. And when I get disengaged like that, I quit. Or I leave, or my quality of work starts going down. If I'm able to give feedback on a consistent basis, even sometimes if it's negative or developmental feedback, people appreciate that, they're more invested, they want to stay. So companies that have these discussions, that enable these kind of conversations, have better people and have better performance. I've seen some do it really well and others do it really, really terribly.
Excellent. Well, folks, you heard it first here at Boulder Beta. This is Eli Regalado signing out.